Here's how to schedule Reels on Instagram. So first, go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account and try uploading a photo or video and try uploading a reel on your Instagram. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of your screen. Switch to the Reels section from the bottom. Once you're done with the editing, tap on the next icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you need to scroll down and there you'll get the option of more. Go ahead and tap on that. And then under the sharing preferences, you'll get two different options of schedule this reel and upload at highest quality. Go ahead and enable the option of schedule this reel. Then after set a date and time below according to your preference. Then tap on done from the bottom and tap on schedule in the bottom right corner of your screen that is highlighted in blue color and you'll be done. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and easily schedule reels on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.